Students, today we are going to learn PowerPoint presentation 2013. What is PowerPoint? PowerPoint is a presentation software which included in Microsoft Office suite. It is an organized way of displaying information containing graphic, videos, sounds, etc. Now let's see how to start PowerPoint 2013. What you have to do, you have to click Start button which is down on the taskbar. Then click on All Programs. Here All App is written. You have to click on that. Now scroll down the button. Students, can you see this office? Microsoft Office 2013. Okay, now click on it. Now see where is PowerPoint 2013. Here it is PowerPoint 2013. You have to click on PowerPoint 2013. Your PowerPoint presentation application will open. Then you have to click on blank presentation. Okay. In this way, your PowerPoint window will appear on your screen. Now, let's see components one by one. Okay. First, we talk about title bar. Title bar is on the top of the PowerPoint window. It displays the name of the active application. Can you see this red button? Yes. Now, it also contains quick access toolbar. This. It also contains program icon. Students, focus on the mouse. This is the program icon. This is the quick access toolbar. It also contains PowerPoint help button. This question is PowerPoint help button. Now, it also contains window control bar which includes minimize, maximize and close button, and it also contains display button option. This is a display option button. Now, if we move little down, the ribbon will display. The ribbon is a position below the title bar. Now, this is a ribbon. Can you see number of items, icons, bold, italic, everything? It contains in ribbon bar. Now, what is ribbon bar? It is designed to help you find the commonly used command quickly. It contains a set of tabs. Can you see these set of tabs? File, Home, Insert, Design, Transition, Animation, Slideshow, Review and View. These are tabs. Now, these tabs contain different components in them. Okay. Now, let's move on to the slide design area. Students, below the ribbon bar, you can see a very wide working space. This area is called slide design area. Here we design our presentation. And below that, this is called status bar. Can you see this red line where it is written slide 1 of 1? Okay. It contains slide number, spell check, comment button, note button, view shortcut toolbars and zoom toolbar. This is a zoom toolbar. Okay. After that, if you open page number 114, you will see a ruler. This thing is called ruler. What is the role of ruler? There are two types of ruler. One is horizontal, another one is vertical. The ruler helps in aligning the text and object in the slide. Then move on to the left side. This. Can you see that? This is called slide navigation pane. It is presented on the left side of the PowerPoint window. It provides a thumbnail view of all the slides. So, whatever slide you will create here, it will show in your navigation pane. And after that, there is a scroll bar which only displays when you have number of slides. Okay, right now it is not displaying here. Okay, and in this way, we open the PowerPoint presentation and this is the component of presentation. Now let's see how to create a new presentation. Students, it is very simple. What you have to do, you have to click on File button. Okay, then click on New button. Okay, your gallery will open. Then what you have to select? You have to select a blank presentation. Okay, then click on Create button to use the template. If you are going to use a template. I have selected a blank presentation. Your new presentation will appear with the selected template. But I have selected blank presentation, that is why the template is not showing. Now, if you open page number 116, you will see how to use themes. Now, what is theme? Themes are used to add color and style to a presentation using pre-designed, pre-formatted pattern following are the steps to create a presentation using a theme. Now, again, in order to use a theme, we have to again click on File, then File tab to go to the backstage view. Then click on New button. Then choose a theme you would like on your blank presentation. Suppose I have selected this theme. A dialog box will open. Now what you have to do, you have to click on Create button. In this way, your theme presentation will open on the screen. And this is the way you will use your theme. Now, if you open now first of all you open page number 117. Have you opened it? Now, if you open page number 117, you will see a title naming Applying Theme to Blank Presentation. Here, how to apply the blank theme to blank presentation. Here, you have to click on the Design tab. First, you have to see where is Design tab. This is a file, this is Home, this is Insert. Now, see, this is a blank presentation. Click on Design tab. Then, click on More button. See, where is More button? Here, this is a More button. Click on it. Okay. Click on More button. See, it is written here More. Now what you have to do, you have to click on it. There are a lot of themes here. You have to select any one of the theme. I am selecting this. Click on it. Your theme will be added here. Now, see students, you can add number of themes, and in this way you can add your theme in your slides. Let's open page number 118. We will see how we work with slides. Now, working with slide. A presentation consists of number of slides. When you open MS Office, a single slide appears on the screen. It has two placeholders, one for the title and other for the subtitle. Can you see this? This is a title and this is for a subtitle. Now, how to add a new slide to a presentation? Again, what you have to do, you have to click on Home tab, then click on Slide Group. Or what you do, you can directly click on New Slide. In this way, your slide will appear and it will show on the navigation pane. Can you see that? Simply you have to click on your New Slide button and in this way your slide will open. Now, again, let's open page number 119. Let's see how to add text to slide. It's very simple to add a text. Just click on the placeholder and start typing. See, this way I have clicked and now I am going to type anything. In this way I am going to type it. How to insert a picture in a slide? See, what you have to do, in order to insert the picture on your slide, you have to click on the Insert tab. You have to click on the Picture tab. There is no picture saved. Students, can you see? We have not saved any picture, so there is no picture. Simply, if you have a picture, then you have to click on that picture and click on Insert. Then your picture will appear here. In this way, you can insert your picture in your slides. Now let's open page number 120. Here, we will see how to insert picture using the internet. Right now, we don't have internet connected to our computer. I am going to just tell you. After picture, you will see this option which is written online picture. Simply you have to click it. Your internet will open and then you have to select your particular picture and then click OK. This is the way you will add it. Last option, if you open page number 121, you will see how to save a presentation. in order to save a presentation, we have to click on File tab. Then Backstage will open. Here we have to click on Save button. Then the Save As dialog box will open. Then we have to select a place. Okay. And we have to type the presentation and click on the Save button. This way you will save your file. If you open page number 122, it will show how to open an existing presentation. Again, in order to open an existing presentation, you have to go to the File button. Backstage view will open. Click on Open button. Click on Presentation. Right now there is no presentation saved, so it will not show. Simply you have to click on it. Click on Open button. Your presentation will open. Now if you want to close, in page number 123, you will see how to close a presentation. Now if you want to close, what you have to do, you have to click on File button. Backstage view will open. See where is close. Click on Close button. Your presentation will close. Okay. This way we will complete. In this way we have completed our PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.